Sunny the bunny joyfully bounds across a vibrant meadow, surrounded by the symphony of chirping birds and blossoming flowers. Amidst the symphony of nature, Sunny pauses, his cheerful expression radiating pure joy. Today feels like the perfect day to make a new friend, Sunny declares, his voice filled with optimism and anticipation. Sunlight filters through the trees as Sunny ventures into wiggly woods. A shy squirrel peeks cautiously from behind a bush. Hi, I'm Sunny. Want to play with me? Oh, I've never played with a bunny before. That's okay. Let's make up a game together. Sunny and Squirrel giggle behind trees, their laughter echoing through the woods. Under a brilliant sun, the river of giggles shimmers and bubbles cheerfully. Sunny and Squirrel arrive at the riverbank, ready for a playful day. Timmy the turtle floats by on a green leaf, enjoying the tranquil ride. Sunny calls out, "Hi, Timmy. Want to race leaves with me?" Timmy responds with delight. "Okay, I've never done that before." Beneath the friendship tree, Sunny, Squirrel, and Timmy relax as its heart-shaped leaves whisper secrets in the afternoon breeze. As the sun descends, casting long shadows, Sunny declares, "Making friends is easy when you're kind and share fun." Squirrel nods, her bushy tail twitching as she admits, "I was shy, but now I'm happy." Timmy, surrounded by newfound companionship, reflects, "I thought I liked being alone, but friends are the best." The sky explodes with color as the sun dips below the horizon, backlighting the forest in a fiery glow. Sunny, Squirrel, and Timmy stand together, raising their hands in a final farewell. Sunny's voice rings out, filled with warmth. "Friends make every day better." In Sunny's meadow, Sunny's laughter rings out as she hops through the tall grass. She gently cradles a butterfly with a bent wing, her expression softening with care. She makes her way toward Timmy and Squirrel, the butterfly safe in her hands. Sunlight weaves through the leaves of the friendship tree, casting a magical glow upon Timmy and Squirrel. Timmy delicately crafts a leaf splint for the butterfly's fragile wing. Squirrel diligently collects nectar, presenting it as a sweet offering to the butterfly. The healed butterfly dances around Sunny, Timmy, and Squirrel, then disappears into the sunset. Their friendship deepens as they smile at each other. Friends are fun, friends are kind. You just have to smile and say hi. Big or small, fast or slow, together is the best way to go.